standing by.
Now me go come sing that part. Hey, me Jazzy, I'm a worry, Jazzy. Like one picking don't enter inside, but one person don't enter inside. Shaving in dog. I'm a worry, Jazzy.
If I sing this song like that, somebody will listen.
Now, since you start music, your parents
They support her.
They support your music all through.
Initially, they don't want me to do.
Your mom, your papa, or both of them?
No, my dad is late. My papa don't die since.
Your papa don't die. Oh, sorry.
Thank
so now your mommy.
My mama.
I
know, so, but now she they support well.
She they support you now.
Well,
she they watch your video. All those time when they shake bum for video, when you sit down with your mom, they watch the video. Your mom they tell you something. Say, oh Jesus, somebody,
no way.
Oh God, my son, by the time checking her bum. Maybe you should come go church the next day. One day can go say, Mommy, Niniola, your daughter is a bum checkist. I thought her video was nice. No.
They know they get that kind of conversation for church.
No, it's possible. You because one member will come to look at.
They do now.
Hello, good evening from Lagos.
She understands in a show.
Hello. Hello. Your TV there too loud. I beg reduce the volume of your TV. Then make you call us back. I beg if they call us, make sure so that TV volume they down before I call because when they go on.
Can you Jesus? Can you basi? You know, I'm you adhere to the rules of the house. Make up. Otherwise, you need to be call. Make up now bad. All right. Okay.
Our phone number is there on TV. Make me call us. Make we know. Now, Niniola, how your style of music? Oh my way, Lord, you just see.
I see you standing by the door.
I see you standing by the door. You wait, they see.
It could be like Indian music.
I'm a way, Lord, you just see. Which kind of style of music you Matthew, call Martins from Lagos. Good evening.
Matthew.
Continue. Which kind of style of music you go say you do?
Afro. Beats, anything Afro. It depends on the beat where they give me.
Okay.
If they give me this beat, I go put my Yoruba inside.
So if we give you to, which style you go for that one?
But for Ibadi, some na house, some na Afro house.
Okay, now apart from before Katim ask you any question, after you go to work for your papa company, you Lizzie from Naija, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Are you Sue?
Hello.
Yeah, Lizzie will hear you.
Hello, good evening.
Okay. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Okay. When I love my voice.
With a crest? Shanga with any?
I beg my easy beat. I want him.
I know. I want to tell you. Oh, yeah, see, I'm talking to easy beat.
Hello, Lizzie, good evening.
See, you don't change your voice anymore. You go sharp now, just wait. You go sharp now.
Good evening.
Good evening, Lizzie.
I feel you. I feel your government.
Would they feel you too, Lizzie, man? Would they feel you well, man?
Easy bleacher! Lizzie, thank you!
Lizzie don't get government.
You don't get government!
I mean, which type of government you
Which kind of government you get?
Not slang now. How about slang?
No, talk now. No. Which kind of government?
Okay, Nini, make I ask you, before Katim asks question, she wants to ask you. Jolie from Calabar, good evening.
Jolie.
Yeah, good evening.
Jolie!
They do what you happen.
Don't take me break your heart, kid.
Good evening.
Jolie, how far now?
Good evening. How you doing?
Good evening. Do what?
They do start to come to sing my name like that. You go feel.
No, I just now that for work.
Sing my name like that. You go pay money. What should be that one?
Jolie, your TV is too loud.
How you doing?
Okay.
Hey,
I like the team necklace. What's in the hand for neck like dog, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a bit,
You say your chain be like dog.
Now because it's jello. I dey learn from Isio, not take us play,
Okay, you don't abuse Katim now. You don't abuse easy beat. Me, Inka.
No.
Maybe.
Yes.
That day you say na karashika, make you not turn to fish for studio there.
Niniola, I been a karashika CB. Queen of the coast.
Make you not turn to fish.
Now play or not be
Me, I can't see.
All right, thank you, Jolie. Jolie, good night. Agbef wife, Madam Do, good evening. Do, good evening. Hey, she dey hear you. Niniola dey hear you.
Good evening.
Answer now.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. Long time.
Hey, how a long time, boo.
Yeah, no see, long time no see.
Hey, easy meet, y'all on the meet.
Where Agbef?
Madam Do, where Agbef? Where your husband?
Agbef they cook.
Okay, then outside.
Agbef they cook?
Agbef they cook. Bye.
Hey.
William from Lagos.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. You want to talk to Nini?
You want to talk to Niniola?
Yeah, I want to speak to Niniola.
She dey hear you.
Good evening, oh.
How are you doing, Niniola?
I'm fine. Thank
I
you.
love your music.
Yeah.
Just keep it up.
Where you know our music from?
I downloaded it from net, so I've been hearing your music from last year.
Thank
So I
you.
love it so much.
Thank you
Are
very
you
much.
from Kitty? I'm from Ondo State.
Oh, I'm a kitty.
Oh, that's nice. Is Nedu? This your show today. You want to use a finished person?
My brother, now woman you can't look for today, Abi.
I don't look for
You dey tell her your CV, say you come from Ondo State.
No, me too.
You don't watch video, you don't see her technique. I'm checking pom-pom.
Wait till
The thing attracts you. You say make you come.
I like this your shell. You go borrow me.
We go send account detail. Contact Nedu for further information.
William.
Catherine, I love your shell. You go borrow me.
I love it too. Thank you.
William, thank you.
Okay, like that.
William, thank you. Good night. Thank you very much. From Lagos, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Maggie.
My name is Margaret.
Maggie, how are you?
I'm fine.
Maggie, you want to talk to Niniola?
Yes, I'm Dr. Niniola. She's from my state.
Oh, good evening.
Good evening. Which part of Ekiti are you from?
Iye.
Are you serious?
Ileje.
Ekiti girls are always pretty.
Yes, so I'm a Luwaleja.
Yes, so. I love your hair, girl.
Thank
You're
you.
looking pretty.
Thank you very much.
You like her
I
song?
love your music.
Thank you.
Easy beat, how are you?
Fine.
Say the next thing.
Lady, don't do now.
Hello, Easy beat.
Yeah, Margaret, good evening.
Good evening. Don't worry, I will give you my sister. I still like you. For me, I don't marry. I for marry.
Hey, my brother, I die you there, so.
Easy not from Benue.
Easy beat, you are dead. D-E-D. Dead. Maggie, thank you very much. Good night. And from Kafanchan, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother Ziglo?
I'm fine.
You want to talk to Niniola?
I want Kala Niniola.
She
I
dey-
want Kala DJ Easy.
Yes, boss, good evening.
She dey hear you.
I dey feel DJ Easy.
They feel him.
Hey. In what manner and where?
Bros, I hate bros.
Ziegler, thank you. Easy bit, you are dead. Woman, they feel you. Man, they feel you. Even person wife, they feel. They ask you long time. My brother, you are dead. D-E-D, dead. Niniola, back to you because when you were, it's the devil's work. You take any training for voice training for music? You get any training
As
a professional? Apart from training for Project Fame House.
No, not for house I did.
Who they sing for your family? Your mama, your papa, your...
My grandma.
Your grandmother?
My paternal grandma.
Okay, your father, grandmother. Your father, mother. She's still there alive?
No, she don't die.
She don't die. She teach you any song?
No.
Okay, she not teach you any song. Now, okay, we get plenty of questions to ask you. Before I ask you, I say make I ask you because I thank God say that guy we say in from Ondo and they give you CV. Now make I ask you, do you have a boyfriend or do you have a marriage? Are you married or
none of the above?
None of the above. Only a boyfriend.
You don't get boyfriend?
I don't get.
Oh, yeah, man.
Oh, God, I thank you. Finally, my prayer has been answered.
We don't get some tweet.
I
do. Michael say, Niniola, that you attract, make brain. No, I see you on the A-list, no sooner or later.
Amen.
Then he can say, when will they accept another single from you, and which collabo may we expect from you? With this, your assorted voice.
For Valentine, I drop Akara Oyibo.
Akara Oyibo?
Yes, it means cake.
Cake. Oh, okay.
I dropped them last month.
Okay.
But for my single, my second single, major single, to be dropping soon, very soon. Yes.
Soon. You think of collabo? Okay, for before we come to collabo, for inside our music industry, now which be artists when you say this, I look up to this artist. I want to be like this artist. I want to do past within this artist do.
Them plenty, because everybody they work hard.
Okay.
Now when I enter this industry,
now
I know say,
Kaki don't be later, my sister.
Before I just talk, say I could just come and do.
They will just agree you.
I go just, but I don't suffer.
Your voice reminds me of YJ voice.
And now I can't appreciate everybody way they inside the industry. Everybody say no easy.
Now, who be the if you want to collabo now, who you think say you go feel range take the collabo with?
It depends on the song.
It depends on the song.
I'm not going to see that person as if I get the beat, I go marry the beat first.
You go marry the beat.
Yes.
You feel the
beat.
Romance.
Now you go can't know which language.
I am a beat. I am a beat.
You are not a beat.
I am a beat. It's romance to me. Anyway,
you write your song, Abi. You write your song.
You write yourself.
Yeah.
But you can't get the right song. Molara writes for you. For Molara writes for you. Oh God Almighty.
Okay. You don't come.
Who she be? She be
songwriter. She did sing, but she be song. Most of the things she did write songs.
She did write for people.
No, she write
Rich and Famous.
Rich and Famous for best for the.
And then she can write for me, Mama Lara. My boss.
Anyway, we'll go back to my chicken break for you. When we come back, you get another guest when we say we'll carry enter studio today. In name na Ajanok. Whoa! How these guys really did for these videos? Where they come from?
Nedu.
Because all of them they always open body. See that guy now open. This guy whenever you want to kill your career before you start. You don't put a head for there.
They do all that video now, all now to promote the
music. Now they do the video. Oh, now why you call them a video?
Why you say that they your eye?
What? Yellow now? This is yellow. Why not go look at?
Nedu, I don't talk. Say Jalo go kill you.
Ajanok, whoa! Ajanok, whoa! Ajanok, whoa! Come, all those cup one I carry drink this inside, sir.
Yeah, drink
this.
You
just say drink this inside.
You just say drink Coke or maybe water. Say.
Na me na have been oti.
No, na vodka.
Vodka.
You know say, you see, we don't tell him before. Say,
I don't do alright.
Say, like say, you don't do alright.
You see, he's only a bad guy that know how to catch a bad guy.
Oh,
he doesn't see with eye, no sense in red. Anyway, welcome to the next show.
Yeah.
Which kind of music you go say you do?
I do rap.
Rapist.
Yeah, Yoruba rap.
Yoruba rap to be precise.
Yeah. Okay.
They follow that green for back. Or Lamide and the rest of them.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, who be Ajanoku?
Ajanoku is a Yoruba rap artist. Ajanoku man rap Yoruba.
Oma rap Yoruba. Oma rap be rapper.
Okay. Ajanoku is from where now?
Ajanoku is from Ogun State.
Ogun Ekiti.
Okay.
I didn't hear them.
No, okay. Ekiti and Ogun then near Niniola?
No, they're not near.
They're not
near.
Yeah. One or two just said no, they're not near.
Because you're not near
You said no.
Na fight.
My brother. I don't say more.
Na fight.
Because you never know my key collabo together. Because their music is far from themselves.
But you have to say, then it's I was gonna say yabo.
And if you blow, then we could ask easily for expert opinion.
You're condemning my Keji. Niniola in hot romance with Ajanoku. Ajanoku na
as they release.
I've been waiting.
Single.
Lasisi Gafari.
Lasisi Gafari.
Yeah, that's my name.
Who be Gafari? Your papa be Gafari?
No, my dad Lasisi.
Okay.
Gafari.
You Gafari. What do you mean of Gafari? You know what it mean for Hausa?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
God that forgive.
God that forgives.
Yeah.
But if that Gafari, if you come out the eye, come to A, Gafara. It means they come out for road. Gafari. So what you come? I can't get the name Ajanoku.
When I'm still young, when I'm performing on the stage, after my performance, one man came around like, I love your performance. And I started, he said, I'm performing like Ajanoku.
You said he perform like Ajanoku?
Yeah, she said.
Who be Ajanoku?
Who be Ajanoku?
So you don't even know who Ajanoku?
You don't know who be Ajanoku? Wait. Ajanoku na who? Now what's Ajanoku? Elephant.
Yeah.
Oh, so you know elephant now?
Yeah, Erila Katabu.
Erila Katabu. Ah!
Now what does it mean? It means
Erina.
I don't know what it means, but it means something.
I love the look. So as you say, it means something. It means something.
So since when you go say you don't do into rap?
Yeah, I've been doing rap since 2010.
2010. When you do this song, where you come out to?
Yeah, I dropped this November last year.
November last year. Yeah. Before then, how many songs you don't do already?
I recorded over 20 songs.
20 songs?
20? I didn't know.
Okay, but you know release it. Why you know they're not sweet?
I'm in school. I'm a student of Federal University of Agriculture.
Okay.
So I've been busy.
Did your that school finish?
Okay.
Yeah.
So now school make you never release them.
Yeah.
But people they school we never
They don't leave. I like the way they do. In no they unequally joke. In no fit cheat on person because as in they focus on him book, they don't focus on
focus.
They focus on, no, they do focus. As in don't focus on him book, you don't focus on him book. You know if you do two things at the same time.
Yeah.
I don't draw. You know what? I tell you, know what I draw. It's a very good child. You know what was a pino? You know what was a pino? I tell you, Keddy, I won't focus. I come from where the focus. I come from where the focus. Say, but I don't draw. I think you understand what
yes, yeah, I don't understand. You don't understand?
You understand?
I don't understand.
You don't understand.
And back to you, Niniola. Now, quickly before we carry work more for a second because time don't almost reach. Now, the thing I go ask you, what's it make people, the fans of Niniola, what's it make them they expect from Niniola?
May they expect more videos, more music.
Akara, you don't go do Akara Oyibo?
I don't do Akara Oyibo.
You don't do the video of Akara Oyibo?
No, I never do the video. I just do that on say Valentine. Make it just.
Make it your thing.
Oh, Bobby. Oh. So many don't feel long live.
Easter na next week. You know, go just say for Easter. I wanna just say.
No. Akara Oyibo I give for lovers.
Okay, cake. Since they share cake. Now, this year, would they expect any? How many songs do they expect this year from Niniola?
Just expect beautiful songs and videos. Stay close.
Nini don't fake.
Stay close. No, this question will ask you when somebody when they ask you if you want to collab. Okay, say now the beats now you go take no.
Nah, the beats.
But off your head
you
now.
collab with.
You don't have to do collab with Ajanoku.
I know they work like that. I guess. Enter the beat.
Okay, you guys actually go enter Ajanoku. So
no, but what's it make them decide to do rap? But because you hear them, JC them.
No, actually, I love rap.
Okay, so you don't do. Oh, okay. You don't do your body since it can't be like passion.
Yeah.
Oh.
Rap is something I love to do.
Okay, that green day, he don't die. Rest in peace, that green. And then we get
when the father you Nedu.
Seriki, Olamide, and the rest of them. Now, which person you go say, okay, now this person I they look up to. I want to be like this person, or I want to pass this person when it comes to rap. Yoruba rap.
I love Olamide style.
You know, like nice not really rap.
Nice.
Nedu, I just ask question.
No, nice.
You know there is rap.
Oh, you want make a talk with you talk. You talk me. You want make a talk with the market. That's where market for press. You say make a talk about my bag. I don't want to. Anyway, Niniola, talk about if for those who want to follow you on top Instagram, on top Twitter, on top Facebook, on top follow. Where do they go follow you on?
Make them follow me everywhere, all the social media. Or my handle na official Niniola
Official Niniola.
Yes.
Official Niniola.
Official Niniola.
In everywhere.
Talk for Yoruba. Say Tebati Fe.
Okay, can talk am.
Talk. For your language, for your Ekiti language.
Tebati Fe tẹ̀lé mi. Make sure pé ẹ tẹ̀lé mi lórí Twitter, Facebook. Instagram. Kẹ́ tẹ̀lé mi lórí official Niniola. Mo dẹ̀ ní website. So make sure pé ẹ visit here. Ẹ máa visit website mi lórí www.officialniniola.com.
I love this guy.
If person want follow you.
If person want follow you, Gafari. If person want follow you.
At Loba Janoku.
Hey, they are baby.
That's my handle.
On Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. At Loba. Every like person will be posting. Loba. Anyway, Loba out Janoku at for Instagram, for Facebook, and then Twitter. I bet we're gonna follow Janoku, and then we're gonna follow our own beautiful sweetheart Niniola. When it be say her ministry is.
Why you not say beautiful sweetheart?
Yeah. If I come between start, you know what you not
follow. Okay, Muna,
now you go say
the sweet and handsome and black beautiful person.
Anyway, till tomorrow. What a good night.